guess what we're making today? We're making slime. Can you believe it? I hope you're having a great day. We're gonna get good and messy today. How about a cup of glue? Putting there right away. All right, that looks pretty good. This is the kind of glue that we used. Non-toxic, that's a good thing. All right, we need some shaving cream. Kind of a lot too. Are you ready to have fun with shaving cream? Make sure you ask your parents before you start using all of these ingredients, okay? I'm sure that they would love to help you. Wow, this is gonna be the fluffiest slime we have ever seen. Last but not least, or no, we still have two more. This one's baking soda. We're gonna do about a teaspoon. And saline solution. A good amount of this as well. Okay, so that's going to activate everything here. Okay, now let's mix it up, shall we? I have a big old spoon here. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix. See how it's already starting to come away from the sides? Wow. And we'll just keep mixing. It takes a little bit, you just gotta mix it up. Oh man, so fun! All right. I think we have some true slime here. It is such a fun sound. And stretch it and pull it. We can add some fun colors to it too. And anything that's left on you usually just kind of comes right off. There, see? You have made easy, easy, fluffy slime. I hope that you had so much fun making slime with me today, because I know I had a lot of fun with you. It was so easy, so fast, and it's really clean. That's the nice part. It's not going to stick to anything. What's nice about this, there's no toxic ingredients. If it gets on something, it comes right off. Cleans up really well. And you can add stickers inside of it. You can add colors, sparkles, glitters. We'll do that in another video. But so easy, so fun. I hope you had the best day. I had a wonderful day playing with you today, learners. We'll see you next time. Bye.